In this video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on the jets in your Signature Series spa so you can start enjoying your spa in no time. Tap the screen to wake up the display. Then press the 1 and 2 icons. Press the jet icon and tap on Pump 1 and 2. Depending on your model, a third pump may also appear on the screen. Jet 1 has a low speed for heating. Low is indicated with 1 chasing dot. High speed is indicated with 2 chasing dots and is great for maximum jet action. You can use this feature to customize your spa experience. To turn off a pump, simply press the icon for the designated jet you want to stop. Please note that the jets will automatically shut off after 20 minutes. And that's how to use the jets in your Signature Series spa. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more spa maintenance videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.